When you hire Ferrobuilt to build a shop, we work with you right from the design. We go over everything that you want and need in the building, and then we put that through our engineer, and he makes sure that it meets all engineering requirements. And then from there, we start on the excavation, and we go all the way through to lockup. We install the metal cladding on the exterior and on the roof, any doors, windows, and any other accessories that you may require. Our interior finish package includes the insulation, vapor barrier. We do strapping and a bright white metal cladding on the interior. It's the same profile as we use on the exterior of our buildings, but the color is specifically designed to be used on an interior, so you have no dark corners or shadows anywhere. A lot of people wonder about the electrical, and a lot of people wonder about mounting shelving. As far as the electrical goes, what we usually recommend is running conduit after the metal's been installed. And that way in the future too, if you need to change anything, you can easily add a plug, take away a plug, whatever you need to do, add a light. And the second question that people have is mounting shelving, tool benches, all that sort of thing. Now it's easy to see where the strapping is because of the rows of screws. And what we recommend is actually fastening a piece of plywood over top of the metal and attaching it to the strapping, and then building your cabinets, your workbenches, whatever you need off of that, shelving. Another option is if we know in the pre-build process, you let us know we want a whole bunch of heavy-duty shelving along here, we want to attach racks here, we need hooks there, whatever you need, we can add a bunch of backing before we install the metal. One of the things we do that we found our customers really like is we actually provide ballpark pricing over the phone. So it's not going to be an exact dialed-in number, but it's going to give you a pretty good idea. Based off other buildings we've built that are similar to yours, we know it's going to land in this ballpark. You know, we might tell you it's between $250,000 to $200,000. An average shop of that size takes to build is generally under a month and a half from start to finish. But on top of that time, you'll also have the time to do the design, which can take about a month, and then the time to apply for permits, which varies by city, district, everywhere. So that can be anywhere between 3 weeks to 3 months in extreme cases, or even longer for commercial builds. On average, we're usually booked out 3 to 6 months in advance. Some larger projects though require a lot of pre-planning. So, you know, if we're doing a fairly extensive project, it sometimes takes up to a year of planning ahead to get everything lined up properly and the planning stage is done.